Good morning, dear children. Today we will learn the concept of one and many. So tell me, children, how many pens are these? One pen. And how many pens are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pens. So anything which is more than one is called many. So we can also say this is one pen and these are many pens. Let's take some more examples. How many spoons are these? One spoon. And how many spoons are these? 1, 2, 3. So these are more than one spoons. So whenever we have more than one, it is called many. So one spoon, many spoons. Let's take one more example. One box, many boxes. One comb, many combs. One comb, many combs. Even if there are two combs, we will call it many. Anything which is more than one. Maybe it can be 2 or 3 or 5 or 10 or 100. Anything which is more than one is many. Now, see this. This is one hat. And how do we write it? H-A-T, hat. So now, when we have many hats, more than one hats, many hats, so how will we write? We will add S to this spelling and it will become hats. So this is one hat, many hats. In the same way, this is one rabbit and we will write it like R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. So one rabbit. Now how many rabbits we have? Two rabbits, more than one rabbit. So what change we will do in the spelling? We will add S to it and it will become many rabbits. Now this is one car, C-A-R, car. And now we have more than one cars. So that means we have many cars. So what will we write? We will add S to it and it will become many cars. Let's revise. One hat, many hats. One rabbit, many rabbits. One car, many cars. Okay. Now when you will get the sheet, children, what you will do is, okay, let us write this first. This is a boat. So this side of the page, ma'am has drawn all one pictures, like one boat, one cat, one hut. And this side, if you can read here, this is many. So this side ma'am has drawn many boats, many cats, many huts. When we write in our notebook, we write one on one side and many on one side. So let's first write here. This is boat, B-O-A-T, boat. And what will we write here? Same spelling we will write. B-O-A-T and we will add S. and cut the T. Similarly here we will write one cat, and here they are many cats, so CAT and S, cats. Similarly here there is one hut, and here there are many huts, so we will write the spelling of hut and add S to it. It will become many huts. Now let's see how we will write in our notebook. So this side one and this side many. So let's write. So what is this written, children? Bell, B-E-L-L, bell. So how will we write many? B-E-L-L and S, bells. Pig, one pig, many pigs. P-I-G-S, pigs. One bike, many bikes. So we will write the same spelling, B-I-K-E-S, bikes. Now children, first day you will do simple work like this, but from the second day onwards you will get sheet like this. Now as I told you, one side we will write all the ones, okay, one mug, one apple, and on the right hand side we will write all many things. How we will do this sheet? Let me explain to you. So this side it's written mug, and there is a dash this side on the right side. So mug, what will come here? Mugs. We will add S to it. M U G and S. What have we done? We have added S. Okay, whenever we are writing many, we will add S. But now see the next number 2. Now the dash is this side. How will we write this? So what is written here? So that means there are many dots. Okay, dots is written. There are many dots. Now we have to convert this many dots into one. How will we do that? We will write the same spelling. T-O-T is written here, no? So we will write the same spelling and remove S. So when we remove S, it will become one dot. So let's write here. See the spelling and we will write the same spelling. D O and T. We have removed this S, this side, because this is one dot. We write S for many. Okay, now here, what is this written here? A-P-P-L-E. What is this A-P-P-L-E? Apple. So one apple. Now how will we write many apples? We will write the same spelling. Write apple first. A P, look at the spelling on the left hand side. P L E, apple is written. Now what will we do? We will add S to it and it will become apples. Now the next, again we have the dash a blank on the left side. So that means we have to write 1. There are many ships but one ship. So what will we do? We will write the same spelling without S. Just see, S H I and P, no S. Okay. Now here again the dash is, the blank is on the left hand side. So here it's written cups. So what will come here? Many cups. So 1 cup. So let's write cup. See the spelling here. What is the spelling? C-U-P. So we will write the same spelling without S. C-U-P, cup, without S. Now children, this sheet you will do many times in the class, this kind of a sheet where dash with a blank is on the left side also, blank is on the right hand side also. So this kind of sheet will also come in the test. So you will practice doing the sheet like this also. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Happy learning.